How did you became a gamer?
I was a gamer since a kid. So I played Game Boy Advance, brick games,
What is the first gaming platform or device you owned?
cell phone, I think.
Ano nilalaro mo sa cellphone?
Space Impact, yun yan. Snake.
Space... Oh!
If you consider that as a game.
When did you start streaming?
Oh no. Year,
Kung kaya-
I know
kung
the
kabisado
year. 2019. Then, around October. Hindi ko na alam ko yung exact date.
And then,
October.
League of Legends na yung nilalaro mo nun?
Yes,
Okay. So, tagal na din pala, no? And next, what is the reason why you're streaming?
The reason why I am streaming. Pinaka first reason ko, nag-start ako na nag-stream. I want to stream because I want to be like the big streamers. I want to be like them. Ayun ang pinaka-goal ko that time. Then, as time goes on, na-develop yung interest ko sa ibang bagay. So, nag-stream na lang ako as a hobby, ganyan.